Welcome to qnawire.
Hello, today we'll be continuing our discussions of probability distributions. And today we will be constructing a probability distribution and drawing a graph for the distribution based on the example provided here. And our example today is the probability that a car parts shop sells 0, 1, 2, 3, or 4 tires in a day is 0.25, 0.5, 0.05, 0.3, 0.25, and 0.4 respectively. Now to start with, we will be drawing our probability distribution table. And again, it's what we've done before. We will be having our independent variable represented by x and p of x representing our probability of that value for our independent variable. And our values for x today are 0, 1, 2, 3, or 4. And our probabilities associated with each value in order are 0.25, 0.05, 0.3, 0.25, and 0.4. And that is our probability distribution for today. Now, as for our graphing, we'll start with our x-axis. Let me scroll down a little bit here. Come on. Okay, oh, there we are. Sorry, guys. Our x values are, again, 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And our p of x values, our largest one is 0.4, so we'll do 0.5 up here, 0.4, 0.3, 0.2, and 0.1. And we'll add our dash marks in. And for our probability of 0 tires being sold, we have 25. So we'll go right around there, draw a line down. Probability of 1 tire being sold is 0.05, so pretty small dash there for 1. And then 2 is 0.3. We start at 0.3, go down to our 2 again. For x value of 3, we'll do 2.5 as well. And we'll go right there down to our 3. And then for 4, it will be 0.4, so it's just a little bit. Oh, sorry, no, it is starting up there, right up here, and going all the way down to our 4. And that is our probability distribution and graph for